In this video, I'm going to break down the easiest way you can make an extra 3 to 5 grand a month working online. And it's not starting an online business. Everybody wants to make extra money online, okay? They've seen people making an extra 2, 3, 5, sometimes even £10,000 a month, being able to work from wherever they want, on the time zone that they want, in whatever country they want, whether they're traveling or whether they just want more time at home with the kids. Starting a business is not always the best thing. You need a product or a service to sell, you need to do marketing, you need to do sales, you need to learn how to do client delivery, you have to manage finance and taxes and then potentially staff, and it doesn't always work out for people. However, there is a way that if you have a phone and a laptop, an internet connection, you have a good work ethic and good people skills, you can make an extra 3, 5, and sometimes even £10,000 a month doing something called appointment setting. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what appointment setting is, the skills that you need to be a great appointment setter, and also how you get paid as an appointment setter and how much money you can earn. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the iPad and I'm going to explain what an appointment setter is and how it works. Okay, so you will work for a business that generally does high ticket services or sales. Okay, and when I say high ticket services or sales, I mean anything that sells a product or a service starting at the low end of around £1,000 all the way up to 10 and even £20,000. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at here. So this is anything from, you know, fitness coaches online, it can be people that do marketing agencies, it can be people that sell solar panels. We even have people that sell hydro pools and saunas and into people's homes, okay? So anything that is a high ticket product or service, so anything that's basically more than £1,000 is something that you can work on as an appointment setter, okay? And this is the way it works. So the business pays money to get leads, okay? And for these leads, so generally they'll run ads. These leads, they'll get a name, email, they will get a phone number, and you will get generally a little bit of information about what they want, why they want it, etc. Okay. Now, when the businesses run these ads, they will sometimes go straight to booking a call. Okay. And the call will generally be taken by a closer or a sales rep. Okay. That's the next step up from this role, but that's not what we're talking about today. Okay. So let's say, for example, they get 100 leads and 10 of those immediately go to booking a call. All right. But then what happens with the other 90? Well, they've got the name, email, phone number, and information of someone interested in their products or services. And they need somebody to come in, contact these people, qualify them, and put them to the closer. Okay. And this is where setters are extremely important parts of businesses, because if the business only survived off the 10% of people that book a call and go to the closer, they would not be profitable. Okay, so they need someone to come in and basically contact and work these leads, ask them a bit of information, provide them some information about the products or services, and get them to book a call with the closing team. So it's an essential part of building a business, any business that's high ticket. Now, the beauty of this is you don't need to be inside the business's office to do this role. You will have a dashboard where the names, emails, phone numbers, and information will come into. So they are more than happy for people that are willing to work hard, to work remotely, to work these leads and book them onto a closer. And that is the role essentially, okay? So it's sales, it's organization, it's being fast and being good at talking to people, being good on the phone, and being able to get people the right information that they need in order to make a decision to get on call. So fairly simple, if you'd agree with me. You're contacting people, giving them information. If it's the right step for them, then you book them onto a closer's calendar, and then the closer will sell them into the high ticket product or service, and you will get paid a percentage of that sale. And that's exactly how remote setting works. So the skills that you need in order to be a good appointment setter, okay? There are really 3 core skills, okay? There is text or DM, depending on the profile. So you will either text the leads or you will DM them if it's on a social media platform. And again, you will contact them, you will reach out to them, you will ask them why they applied for the product or service or why they registered interest. You will have a conversation with them, make sure that the product or service is a good fit for them, answer any little questions that they've got, and then you'll book them on a call with the closer. And that is step 1. Okay, so that is the first skill. The second skill is phone. Okay, So in a lot of businesses, you will also dial these leads. You will call them because it's much easier to get through to people than just sending a text. And you will generally do both of these for most businesses. And on the phone, it's the same thing. Contacting them, figuring out if it's the right time to speak or not. If not, you'll book them in for later on when they do have more time to talk, okay? And again, it's the same process. It's just done over the phone. So you will ask them why they registered interest or applied for the product or service. You will give them some information that they need in order to make a decision. You will make sure that they are the right fit for the product and service, meaning they have the funds available. It's something that they want to take action on right now, and they're the right person that needs the product or service, and you'll book them onto a closer. That's the second thing. And then the third thing is follow up and reporting. Okay, so not all of these leads will answer first time, not all of them will get back to you, but you will have a list of leads that you will consistently go to, give offers to, give updates to, okay, until it is the right time for them to book and buy, and that's follow up. And then you will report each day on your work, okay? So you will track the leads that you've texted, you'll track the leads that you've had a call with, you will track the outcome of those calls, and you will then provide a report to the business owner on what the contact rate was, how many people have responded to you, how many people were a good fit for the product or service, and then how many people agreed to a call. And that is it in a nutshell. That is the process. You need 3 skills. You need good skills to communicate over text or in a DM inbox. You need good skills to talk to people over the phone, and you need to be organized so you can follow up correctly and you can provide the correct reports that the business owner needs to then feed back into marketing to get more leads to make more money. Okay, so it's a symbiotic relationship with the business, okay? You work the leads, make the business more money, you get paid a percentage. Because you have done that, the business then has more money to spend on more ads and get more leads, and it goes around in a cycle like that. So you essentially are getting a small profit share of the business. And the better you are at these 3 skills, the more deals you will make, but also the better business you will be able to work for. If you're incredible, you can be looking at one of these businesses that sells a product or service for 10,000. Now, when you first start, you might be working with a smaller business that sells a smaller product or service because you're just learning. But your goal is to move from smaller things to bigger things so you can make the most money. So that brings me to the big question of how do you get paid, okay? So generally, you will have a set quota that you're set to meet each day, okay? You will have X amount of contacts or X amount of leads that you are expected to contact. Now, whether you decide to work part-time for a business or full-time for a business will depend on the amount of leads that they do. And here's the best thing. You can work those leads whenever you want, all right? Businesses generally do not set you have to work from 9 to 5 or you have to work from X to X. Their expectation, which should be your expectation, is to work when the leads are the most responsive and you are most likely to make more bookings and therefore make the most money. So you get to set your diary around when you are likely to make the most money and also when you are likely to be able to work the hardest. So you get a little bit of flexibility in your schedule. Also, because you are just working remotely, either on text or on the phone with a dashboard, you can work from wherever you want. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection and as long as you can speak to people, you are able to work from there, which makes this role fucking great. But the pay is the big thing, okay? So pay, you will generally get a base pay to start with. That will be anywhere from like 1,000 on the low end up to sometimes 1,500 to 2,000 on the high end. Now, this will depend on the size of the business that you work for and how many hours that you do. So obviously, if you're part-time, you're going to be on the lower end. If you're full-time, you might be on the higher end. But some businesses will kind of move this around depending on what fits for them. But the main thing that you need to be looking at is percentage commission, okay? Now, every business is slightly different than this, but you're looking at anywhere from 2% to 5%, and sometimes even 10% commission on these products. So for example, if you set a call that the closer then closes for £1,000, you are looking at getting anywhere from £20 per close all the way up to £100 per close. Now, generally the businesses that have smaller products and services will pay you a bigger percentage because they have to do that to make it worthwhile. So like, for example, some of our fitness clients, they will pay 10% to a setter because that's what makes the job worthwhile for you and allows you to make more money and keep making more money, which keeps you motivated to make them more sales, okay? So that's kind of the way this works. However, if you're selling a 10K package, you may get 5%, which is still £500. So very, very solid. So every business kind of works around there, okay? But the expectation really for setters are part-time to be making 3 grand a month, and for full-time to be making 5, sometimes even 6 or 7. Now, I've paid setters out 10 grand a month before because I have a lot of leads, we make a lot of sales, and we charge a reasonable amount of money. Our tickets range anywhere as a business from 3K all the way up to 20K. And obviously the better setters get the better leads. So that's how you make money in this process. And it is really governed by this. If you get good at these 3 skills and you work hard, you will generally make more deals, you'll be able to work for a better business, and you will get better leads for a higher ticket product or service, which allows you to scale your income nearly infinitely. As good as you get, there will be a company that will pay you more money to set for them because you are the lifeblood of the business, okay? You put calls on the calendar that allows their team to make sales. With the marketing team, which are the team that actually generate the leads for you, you two, marketing and appointment setting, are the 2 most vital parts of a business's growth. And that's why it's such a massive opportunity, okay? Now, US, there is a flood of low quality setters. There are people that are pretending that they are good at this job and they are trained at this job. And US businesses will generally make millions and millions and millions of dollars a year off the back of setters, okay? They are always looking for good setters. They always have setters on their team that are underperforming, they are looking to replace with someone that can come in and do the job well. In the UK, it's a massively untapped market. It's a market where people are crying out for good quality staff, where generally they get people from overseas or people that they're just trying to train themselves and they do not perform. Okay, so in any of these markets, and even in the Australian market, there are massive amounts of opportunities if you are a good setter. So if you're looking at this video and you're thinking, that sounds like something I could really get into. I am a hard worker, I have good people skills, I am organized. You can start a role and within 8 weeks be trained up to the point where you are able to access these kind of roles, okay? It's not a long training process. It is a skill that you will continue to work at throughout your career as you get better, but to be able to get live inside a business takes about 8 weeks of training. So you are 8 weeks away from being able to access this kind of money, and all you need is a phone, laptop, Wi-Fi connection, hard work, and good people skills. If you want to be able to access these kind of roles, we run something called the Leverage Sales Academy, okay? Where we train, qualify, certify, and then place you inside a business that needs a setter in order to sell their services. If you want to apply for that certification, we train setters by application only, okay? We don't want to get any Tom, Dick, and Harry and place them into a business that's placed their trust in us, okay? We want to make sure that you can make good money. We also want to make sure the business can make good money. So if you want access to these roles, all you need to do, click the link underneath this video. It will take you to our sales application. You go through that application, you will book a call with our sales manager, and they will be able to provide you more information of how you can get started with training to start one of these roles. Hopefully that was useful. If that's interesting for you, like I said, fill in the application, sales manager will be in touch, and we'll be able to get you started.